Hey guys, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and in this tutorial, we'll be going over how to easily integrate Printful with eBay to sell print-on-demand products and build your own eBay dropshipping store. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notifications bell so you'll get notified each time I release a new tutorial. If you're looking to launch your own eBay dropshipping store to sell print-on-demand products, then Printful is exactly what you've been looking for. Printful allows you to create a wide variety of print-on-demand products such as t-shirts, hats, and jackets, and easily add your products to multiple online marketplaces such as eBay for easy print-on-demand dropshipping. In this video, I'll be demonstrating the entire process to connect Printful with eBay and list your products on the eBay marketplace to offer to customers. With over 100 million monthly visitors, eBay is a great marketplace to integrate with Printful and sell your print-on-demand products. Once you integrate Printful with eBay, all orders that are placed will automatically be synced and fulfilled. eBay has been a trusted global marketplace for years, and once you connect Printful, you'll be able to list your products on eBay marketplaces around the world. But in order to build your eBay dropshipping store with Printful, you'll first need to create your Printful account. To create your free Printful account and follow along, go ahead and click the link in the video description. So now that you've signed up to Printful, let's go to your account drop-down menu at the top right of the page, then click on Go to Dashboard. This will take you to your Printful account dashboard where you can view your orders, create product templates, connect Printful to various marketplaces, and much more. Before integrating Printful with eBay, the first thing I want to do is create a product template. These are products that you create on Printful that can be added to any marketplace that you integrate Printful with. You can't really launch an eBay store without anything to add to it, so let's quickly go over how to create product templates on Printful. If you look at the menu on the left hand side, you should see a tab that says Product Templates. Go ahead and click that now. This will take you to the page where you can create a new product template on Printful and view all the previous product templates you created as well. So let's click the first box here with the plus sign icon to create a new template. This will open up a new window where you can view all the different products that are available for you to create on Printful. They have dozens of different product types and styles that you can customize and add to your store. This includes men's clothing, women's clothing, hats, jackets, and even home and living items. So for my product template example, let's just select men's clothing. Next, you can choose a product type for your selected category. Each category has multiple different product types, such as the men's clothing with jackets, hoodies, t-shirts, sweatshirts, and all the others you see here. To create a product for my eBay store, I think I'll go with the long sleeve shirt. Once you select your product type, you'll then be taken to another page where you can select your product style. As you can see, Printful offers many different styles of long sleeve shirts that you can choose from. Each style can differ in various ways such as by fit, fabric type, and of course production costs. For my example product, let's just go with the unisex long sleeve tee. So here's the Printful design editor where you can customize your product template. Under the product tab, you can select various options such as your printing technique, the various colors you want to offer, and upload your own design to the template. When creating designs for your Printful products, you want to make sure they're high quality and a large enough pixel size so it doesn't look blurry on your product. For my product template, I've already created a design using Canva Pro. I use Canva Pro to create almost all the designs that I upload to Printful. Not only do they provide you with thousands of t-shirt design templates, but also tons of tools and features that you can use to create your designs. With Canva Pro, you can access all the images and graphics in the Canva library, access the background remover tool to remove the background from your images, export your designs with transparency to add to your products, and tons of other features that you can use to create designs and build your business. To give Canva Pro a try for free, go ahead and click the link in the video description or head over to jasongandy.org and click the Unlock Canva Pro button. So now that I've used Canva Pro to create my design, let's click the print area here to upload the design to the product template. This will open up your file library where you can upload your design and view all the past designs that you've uploaded as well. Let's click the red upload button and find the design that I just created. Once your design finishes uploading, go ahead and click the select button here to add it to the product template. And voila, my new design has been added to my product. Feel free to resize or rearrange your design and use the Printful tools to continue editing your product template any way you like. Once you're finished, go ahead and click continue at the bottom left. On the next page, you can add more details to your template, like adding more to the title and selecting the sizes that you want to offer. Once you're finished, go ahead and click on Save Product Template. I now have a brand new customized long sleeve shirt that I can add to my eBay store. Once you've created a product template, you can actually add it to all the marketplaces that you have integrated with Printful. But I haven't integrated my Printful account with eBay yet, so let's go over how to do that now. From the menu on the left hand side, go ahead and click on the Stores tab. This will take you to a page where you can see all the stores that your Printful account is currently integrated with and allows you to browse and connect new stores as well. To create a new store, let's click the button here to choose a platform. Here's where you can view all the different e-commerce platforms and marketplaces that you can integrate with Printful. As you can see, they have many to choose from, but what we're looking for is eBay. Once you find the eBay option, go ahead and click on Connect. Here's where you can connect your eBay store to Printful. eBay is actually the first place I started selling products on years ago, and I was really happy to see that Printful offers print-on-demand dropshipping for eBay as well. But before you can integrate Printful with eBay, you'll first need to set up your eBay seller account. So before we continue, let's head over to ebay.com and go over how to register as a seller. If you haven't created an eBay account yet, go ahead and look up at the top left of the screen and click on Register. From here, go ahead and fill out all the information to create your eBay account. For the account type, I'm just gonna select personal. Go ahead and fill out your personal details or sign up with Google, Facebook, or Apple, then click on Create Account. And voila, you should now be signed up for eBay. But in order to upload items to the eBay marketplace, we'll first have to register our seller account. To do this, let's look up at the top right of the screen and click on the Sell tab. Here you can read over all the key information that you need to know to sell on eBay. Integrating Printful with eBay is free to set up, and you only get charged fees when you receive orders. For the fees, eBay charges 10% for every sale and a 35-cent listing fee. Once you add your Printful products and sync them with eBay, each time a customer places an order, it will automatically be sent to Printful for fulfillment. Once you review the basic seller information, go ahead and look up at the top menu and go to the My eBay tab. Here's where you can see an overview of your eBay account and the products that you're selling. But in order to upload products to the eBay marketplace, you'll first have to register as a seller. To do this, let's go to the blue notifications box up top here and click on Update Account Details. This will take you to a page where you can verify your eBay account and register to become a seller. On the first step here, go ahead and verify your personal details, then go down to the bottom and click Continue. Next, you'll have to verify your phone number. You can select to have eBay either call or text you a security code, then type the security code in the text field here and click Continue. And the third step will be to verify your identity in order to get paid. To verify your identity, go ahead and type in your date of birth, the last 4 digits of your social security or tax identification number, then click on Continue. On the next page, you'll be able to review some key information regarding selling on eBay. Once you've read over the information, go ahead and click on Complete Sign Up. And there we have it. We've just registered as an eBay seller. But if you want to actually get paid, you'll have to add your bank account. At the bottom of the page here, go ahead and click on the blue Add Your Bank button. You can then follow the steps to connect your bank account, which will include verifying your account with 2 micro deposits. eBay will make 2 small deposits into your account, and you'll receive an email from eBay where you can click a button to verify the deposit amounts. Once you verify your deposits, you'll then be able to receive payments from eBay. So now that we've finished setting up our eBay seller account, let's head back over to Printful and connect our store. So the first step here is to authorize Printful to have access to your eBay account. To start the connection process, simply click the Connect to eBay button here. You'll then be taken to a window to sign into your eBay account. I'm just gonna log in with Google. There we go. If we scroll back down to step 1, the red button should now say connected to whatever your store name is. Mine currently says Jason Gan 1, but I'll change this later in the eBay settings. So now let's move on to step 2, which is the general info section. Here you're gonna fill in some basic information, such as the brand name you want to show up on your eBay products, your PayPal email, which should be the same one linked to your eBay account, and your maximum handling time in days, which will be the time it takes for you to ship the product out. I recommend leaving your maximum handling time at 5 days. Once you're finished, go ahead and click Continue. Now if we scroll down to step 2, it should now say Done and proceed to next step. And so our third step is going to be the payment policy. Here's where you can select the payment policy for all of your Printful orders. To select a policy, use the drop-down menu here, or specify a policy by name using the text field here. For my payment, I'm going to leave it as PayPal Immediate Pay. Once you're finished, go ahead and click Continue. Now that we've completed our payment policy, we can now scroll down to step 4, which is the return policy. Here's where you can select the return policy that you want to be used for all of your Printful orders. Feel free to select the default policy, but for my store, I'm going to select No Returns Accepted. When you select your policy, go ahead and click Continue. Now that you've entered all of your setup information, Printful should now finalize and validate your new connection. And there we have it. eBay has now been integrated with my Printful account. As you can see up top here, I can currently upload 250 Printful products to my eBay account, valuing $25,000 for the month. So we've already created our eBay seller account and integrated eBay with Printful. So now let's go over how to add our product templates. On your eBay store page here, you should see a button that says Add Product. Let's click that now. This will open up a new window where you can either create a new product template or select one of the product templates that you've already created. Since we've already created a product to add to my eBay store, let's look at the menu on the left-hand side and click the My Product Templates tab. Here you can view all the product templates that you've previously created on Printful. Remember that any of the product templates that you've created can be added to any of the stores that you have integrated with Printful. So let's add my new Summer Vibes long sleeve shirt to my eBay store. Once you select the product template, you'll then be able to select the details for your store. First, you can select the colors you want to offer for the product and the sizes you want to offer. Once you select your colors and sizes, go ahead and click on Proceed to Mockups. This will take you to the page where you can select the mockups you want to display in your store. Printful provides you with multiple mockup styles that you can choose from, including product-only mockups and mockups that include models as well. For my eBay store, I think I'll go with this mockup style here. Once you select your mockup style, you can also select which mockup you want to use as your main image. I think I'm gonna go with the red shirt. Once you select your mockup style, go ahead and click on Proceed to Details. Here you can add your product title and your description that you want to display on your eBay store. They have the title that we created earlier and some default information in the description, but you can add even more information as well. Underneath your description, you can also select to add a size guide to your eBay listing. You can add an imperial size guide, a metric size guide, or both. Underneath your size guide, you can also select the style you want to display for your product. I'm not sure why they don't have unisex, so I guess I'll just select women. Once you filled out your details and selected all your information, go ahead and click on Proceed to Pricing. Here's where you can adjust the retail price for each size of the product that you're offering. When you adjust your retail price, you'll notice the revenue for that size change as well. Go ahead and adjust your retail prices to make the revenue that you want to make for each size of your product. Once you adjust your prices, let's go down and click on Edit Quantities. Here's where you can select the quantity of each size and color of the product that you want to offer on eBay. If you remember the message from earlier, I'm allowed to upload 250 items valued at $25,000. If you expect to sell a lot more white medium shirts than black large shirts, for example, then make sure you add more quantity to the white medium shirts. But for this example, I'm just going to add 10 of each product to my eBay store. Once you select the quantity of items you want to add, go ahead and click on Submit to Store. And voila! You've just published your first Printful product to your eBay store. If you scroll down the page here, you'll be able to view all the products that you upload to eBay. As you can see, my Summer Vibes long sleeve shirt has been added and synced. In the variant column, you can actually see that I have 18 variants of this product available. So without further ado, let's head over to eBay and check out my new product. And here's my new Summer Vibes unisex long sleeve tee. When you add products to eBay from Printful, customers will only be able to use the Buy It Now option and not be able to bid on the product. and whenever a customer places an order, it'll automatically be sent to Printful for fulfillment. So that's a quick overview of how to integrate Printful with eBay to build your own print-on-demand dropshipping store. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.